Tired of juggling multiple communication platforms? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect Oneprovider with Telnyx, unlocking a powerhouse of communication potential. First things first, you'll need active accounts with both Oneprovider and Telnyx. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for both platforms. We're assuming you already have these set up. If not, pause the video and get those accounts created. Okay, let's start. In Oneprovider, log into your account and navigate to the Integrations or Settings section. The exact location may vary depending on your Oneprovider setup, so look for something related to external services or API connections. Now, hop over to your Telnyx account. You will need to find your API key or credentials. These are usually located under the API section or within your account settings. Copy the API key. This is the secret sauce that allows Oneprovider and Telnyx to talk to each other. Back in Oneprovider, paste the Telnyx API key into the designated field. You might also need to specify other Telnyx account details, such as your Telnyx subaccount ID. Depending on the specific integration requirements, the Oneprovider interface will guide you. Once you've entered all the necessary information, save your settings and look for a confirmation message. Oneprovider should indicate whether the connection to Telnyx was successful. If you see an error, double-check your API key and other details for any typos. And that's it. You've successfully connected Oneprovider and Telnyx. Now you can explore the new communication capabilities, such as sending SMS messages or managing voice calls directly through Oneprovider. Powered by Telnyx, enjoy streamlined workflows and expanded communication reach.